Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab P11 and today I will show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started, pull down your notifications just by swiping down from the top of the screen. Extend the list of toggles and somewhere here you'll find a screen recording toggle, which for me is right over here. Once you see it, you can tap on it or hold it. When you hold it, it gives you this little pop-up right here, allowing you to customize just a couple settings associated with the quality of your recording. Now, once you go over them and change them to your liking, I can then select Start Recording, Start Now, and that's it. It's already recording, as you can see right over here. So whatever you'll do right now, obviously, like this would suggest, will be recorded. And once you're done recording, you can tap on this red square right here. This will automatically save the screen recording to your Photos application. Now, if you don't see your screen recording right away, which, I do see it right here, but if you can't find it, or maybe you're looking for it later on once this page is filled up with like different photos and all that stuff, you can tap right here on the three bars, and normally you should be able to navigate to something like albums, but I guess we don't have any. Maybe I just have not enough media, like photos, videos and stuff like that, for it to appear, because this is basically all I have. I think once you have more, it will show up with categories, and hopefully in there you'll find a screen recorder category, as you can see right here. So you can also tap on it and it will show you all the screen recordings, and then you can obviously tap on it to view it. Oh boy. So whatever you'll do right now, stop. I was pretty sure it's muted, but I guess this means that it's not muted. Usually when mic is on it's blue, but here it's going to be crossed out. Anyway, one more thing that I'll mention, which usually isn't the case, but I guess Lenovo didn't think about it, as this little overlay shouldn't be visible on the recording. That's how it always works on almost every other device, but here it is visible. So when recording, you can move it around. So if it's obstructing, or if it's going to be obstructing some kind of important information, you can just grab it, move it somewhere else, and there we go. So anyway, as you can see, there is the screen recording, and that's about it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.